You ready for her wedding?
Yep.
Yeah. There's Buzz Lightyear. What do they do when they get married?
Kiss.
They kiss. So I now pronounce you Pinkie Pie and Buzz Lightyear. And they're married. Right? Yeah. Can we see Pinkie Pie's pretty outfit? We just got her barrettes in. Yeah. Yeah. Look, JJ, Mickey's showing you how we got her all pretty. But look at Pinkie Pie. Mommy and Mickey combed her hair and put glass slippers on and barrettes. Didn't we, Mickey?
Yeah. What's this?
I think it's like a...
It's an exercise thing.
It's an extra. I think it's a headband. Buddy.
Cupcake thing.
Oh, and they get cupcakes. It's their wedding cake. Buzz Lightyear and Pinkie Pie need to eat their wedding cake. Get it out. And I think she's going to smash it on his face. Right? Nummy cupcakes. Oh, in his face. Yeah. Oh, in her face. Hopefully they got big tongues. They can lick it off. Yummy, yum. Ah!
You just put that in video?
Uh-huh.
What's the end?
No.